This forgotten Toyota Supra was left to rust for over 50 years. But watch what happens. Hidden inside this abandoned barn lies a Toyota Supra that time almost erased. Covered in rust and dust, forgotten for decades. Every inch of this legendary MK4 tells a story. Broken parts, heavy corrosion, and years of neglect have left it in terrible condition. But beneath all this decay, there is still hope. This iconic sports car deserves one more chance to ride again. A closer inspection reveals a seized engine, damaged suspension, cracked tires, and countless worn-out components. The restoration journey begins as the Supra is carefully loaded and transported to the workshop. Once inside the workshop, every detail is inspected before the transformation officially begins.
Years of dirt, grease and rust disappear under the power of high-pressure water, revealing the car's original shape. With every wash, hidden details begin to emerge. The restoration is finally coming to life.